Why is Instagram not letting me go live? I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the issue of why Instagram not letting you go live. If Instagram is not letting you go live, first, make sure to have a number of followers. Next, swipe up the home screen on the phone to reach Control Center. Now reconnect your Wi-Fi to have a strong internet connection. Turn on and off the airplane mode and the Bluetooth option. Then, open the Settings app on your phone and go to General. Here, tap the Software Update option. If there are any updates available, then update the software to get the new version. Go back to the General menu and tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down to reach the Instagram app and tap on it. Next, hit the Offload App button, and it will delete the app from your phone. Reinstalling can fix this issue. Go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Now, download the latest version of the app to avoid bugs on Instagram.